Oi, shipmates, Facebookers, YouTubers, and people who love seagulls. Captain Jack, Billy Bones' parrot, girlfriend, ducks all over the place. Little short video of when Ginny and Terri were on their mother-daughter vacation they take each year. And this is just a little simple video of them feeding the gulls. Having been so many places in the world in my life, I'll tell you this, there are seagulls. There's the big Arctic seagulls when I was in Alaska. There's just seagulls everywhere. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. Anyway, this little bitty short video. Ginny and Terri. Terry's doing the filming, and the ferry is westbound. It's going from Bolivar to Galveston. Okay, and you see Ginny just being Ginny. So, until next time, thank you so very much for watching. Please like and enjoy. Adios.
There they are, patiently waiting to be fed. Lazy ones. Mother encouraging small children to be mobbed.